Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can create a new account on WhatsApp. So first, make sure you have installed WhatsApp from the Play Store on your mobile. Then open the WhatsApp. As you can see on my screen, WhatsApp has opened. Tap on Get Started option until and unless you don't see this page. Once the welcome screen of the WhatsApp will be open, just you can see the register option. Tap on the register. Then here you need to enter your email address. Once you are done with entering your email address, then tap on next here on the bottom. You can see the next option, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be guided to another page. You have to choose whether you want the personal account or business account. Here I'll be showing you with my personal account. Once you tap on it, here you need to choose your current country name. Once you choose your country name, you need to tap on next. In this page, you will need to fill up your phone number first. Once you are done with filling your mobile number, then tap on send code. Then WhatsApp will send you a code on your mobile number. Once your code has been verified, this page will be open. Then on this page you will need to create your password. The password should be at least 9 characters containing a letter and a number. Once you are done with filling your password, then on the bottom you can see register option. Just tap on it. Once you set your password, you will guide it to this page where you are asked to use for two-step verification. Just tap on continue. Then you will be guided to this page where you are asked to set up biometrics or skip this step. If you want to skip the step, then just you can tap on not now option here on the bottom, or if you want to set your biometrics, then tap on set up biometrics. So if you put your biometric, then every time you open the app you need to scan your fingerprint. So you are all done with all the information. Just tap on got it option. So here you can see that WhatsApp account has already been created. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment on the comment section. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.